Good morning. This is Mrs. Havens, and today is Monday, January 10th. And I'm going to tell you what you're going to do in reading and in spelling today. So in reading, you should have your Reader 2C with you at home. It is your student reader. And today your reading assignment is for your parent to read to you the new story of the week called Billy Sunday. It can be found on pages 24 through 38. Your reading log is also due today for 150 minutes. So today, if you were at school, the teacher would read aloud the story to you, ask some questions throughout the story, and your parents and you, while at home, you can listen to it being read to you, and there are some questions built into the story that you can go over together out loud. Okay, so moving on to spelling, you will need your spelling workbook today. You are starting list number 15, found on workbook pages 58 and 59. So you'll need your spelling workbook. So if you need to pause the video to go get the workbook, you can do so at this time. So on list 15, these are R-influenced vowels like AR and OR, like in the word part or car. They are AR words with the vowel of AR working together to make the R sound. And the OR, like in corn or Lord, the OR work together to make one sound in those words. So on page 58, you're going to do a word sort, and you are used to that, of finding pattern words and putting them under the correct column. And then remember on the bottom, only using memory words to complete sentences. On the next page, page 59, you have two parts. The first part is the word study. You're changing one letter to write a spelling word. So number one, the word is barn. Point to the word barn for number one. If you change one letter in the word barn, you can find a spelling word to make. And if you look carefully, which letter do you want to change to make a spelling word out of it? You're right. Change the A to an O, and you have the word born. Spelling word is born. So write born on the line. Number 2 has more than one answer, and number 5 has more than one answer. And lastly, on page 59 is the second part where you are to write the spelling words to complete a story. When you're finished, reread the whole thing and make sure it makes sense. So that is your reading and spelling assignments for Monday, January 10th. Thank you.